What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Digo coming at you guys with another review. Today we're going to be looking at the Nike Tech Pack Repel jacket. Let's get into it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So for starters, I got this piece in a XXL. This was actually supposed to be an unboxing, but my camera died on me, which kind of sucks, but we're going to get you guys kind of a review right here. And I got this in the olive green colorway. Now this jacket retailed at $220, I believe, which is super expensive. I picked it up for around $50. I actually didn't realize, but this is the same exact style jacket as my Nike Olympic jacket, and which is one of my favorite jackets. I still haven't worn that one yet, but this one was used, and I definitely get some good wears out of it. With the Olympic jacket, I just haven't had really the time or really found the fit for me to rock it. This is a jacket that I would recommend going true to size. I did go up a size on this and my Olympic jacket. I think it's just because I'm a little bit taller. I think an XL would have worked, but as the deals worked out, I just ended up getting a size up. I would definitely recommend going true to size, like I said. And this is made out of 100% cotton. It does feel like a super high quality jacket. As you guys look at the front, you're gonna see that it has 3 pockets. It has 2 normal pockets that have no zippers. Then on the right side, you have an extra zip pocket, and that pocket is actually pretty deep. The jacket reminds me a lot of Tech Fleece. I think that Tech Pack just kind of upgraded from Tech Fleece. I think that's just kind of what they categorize it as now. As you guys look onto the front, you guys are gonna see that it has like a stitched chevron instead of like black infused material. On the sleeve, you guys are gonna see that it has black infused material around the bicep. And also, as you guys look down on the sleeve, you're gonna see that it has like cuffed wrists. And that material is super soft, and I always like that because they have it in the pants as well. One thing that I really like about this jacket is it has the covered zipper, and it also has the dual zipper, so if you want to loosen it from the bottom or the top, which is super nice, but I just personally don't utilize unzipping from the bottom. There's really no details to go over on the back. It's just plain. There's no Nike swooshes or anything like that. As you guys look onto the inside, you guys are going to see that it has a patch infused on the left side. Also, something that is super interesting to me is that it has a normal Nike swoosh and doesn't like have the size on the collar, which it normally does. On the inside, other than that, there's really not much details to go over. This jacket doesn't have too much crazy details, but as you guys can see, if you guys have it in hand, it does feel super high quality and will keep you super warm. It does kind of suck that I got this colorway, but this colorway is alright, and I think I could pull it off. I do have some pants that are the same color. I would like to get something more like a black or maybe a white, maybe a blue, something around there. I know they have a ton of different colors. I hope you guys really enjoyed. I will drop the product number in the description below so you guys can find the product, and I'll also be doing a try on so you guys can see how it fits. And make sure you guys check out my other videos. I have a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech. I'm trying to bring you guys a ton of videos on shoes and just a bunch of Nike products and stuff that you guys don't really see reviews on. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm out.